Imagine losing everything you've worked for, your business, your home, your dignity. A dramatic montage of foreclosed houses, Marcus sitting on the curb with his head in his hands and a laptop glowing late at night in a dark room, the rise of a financial phoenix. How one man in the USA turned bankruptcy into a billion-dollar business. The 2008 financial crisis was a global disaster, but for 38-year-old Marcus Hall from Detroit, Michigan, it was nothing short of personal devastation. Marcus, a father of two, was a successful real estate entrepreneur managing over 25 properties before the market collapse. Within months, the housing market crashed, his tenants couldn't pay rent, and banks began foreclosing on his properties. By the end of 2009, Marcus had lost everything: his assets, his home, and even his car. He filed for bankruptcy and moved his family into a small, rented apartment, barely scraping by with odd jobs. But Marcus refused to let failure define him. The turning point. While working as a delivery driver to make ends meet, Marcus stumbled upon a podcast about the emerging gig economy. He became fascinated by how apps like Uber and Airbnb were transforming industries. One phrase stuck with him: find a problem, solve it, and scale it. It was his light bulb moment. He noticed that small businesses, especially in struggling cities like Detroit, were drowning in inefficiencies, from managing payroll to tracking inventory. With no formal tech experience, Marcus spent nights teaching himself coding, using free resources like YouTube tutorials and online courses. Over 2 years, he designed a prototype for a cloud-based business management tool tailored for small enterprises, launching SwiftManage. In 2013, Marcus launched his software company, SwiftManage, from his kitchen table. The app allowed small business owners to automate tasks like invoicing, scheduling, and inventory tracking at a fraction of the cost of big-name competitors. His first clients were local businesses he knew personally. Slowly but surely, word of mouth spread. Marcus hustled hard, attending networking events, pitching to investors, and improving his app based on user feedback. In 2016, a major breakthrough occurred when a Detroit-based angel investor injected £1 million into his company. Marcus expanded operations, hired developers, and began scaling SwiftManage nationwide. From ruin to riches. By 2020, SwiftManage had over 100,000 active users and was generating millions in annual revenue. During the COVID-19 pandemic, when businesses sought digital solutions to survive, Marcus's company saw explosive growth. In 2022, SwiftManage was acquired by a major tech firm for £50 million. Today, Marcus is not only financially secure, but is also a prominent advocate for entrepreneurship. Through his foundation, Rebuild and Rise, he funds tech education programs for underprivileged youth, teaching them the skills that helped him rebuild his life. Key lessons from Marcus's journey. Marcus attributes his success to three principles. Never stop learning. Knowledge is the currency of opportunity. Solve real problems. Businesses succeed when they offer practical solutions to everyday challenges. Resilience is everything. Setbacks are inevitable, but persistence turns failure into opportunity. Now a millionaire, Marcus still lives modestly and remains grounded. Wealth is not about how much money you have, he says. It's about the impact you create.